guys? Welcome to another episode of Jeffish. I'm Jeff. Let's talk about fish. And I got a haircut. Finally. Much better. So anyway, as you can see behind me, the clownfish tank is doing great. That's Finn back there, as we've decided on. But yeah, it's great. Nothing crazy. Tests are all coming out good. So overall, it's doing well. Be ready to add some more fish soon, which I'm excited about. Hope you guys are too. Yeah, so we got a pond. Crazy. A lot of stuff going on, and found a pond insert on OfferUp. It was pretty cheap, so decided to pick it up. Probably against my better judgment. So we're gonna build a filter, dig a hole, make a pond. That's about it. I don't really know anything about this. I'm learning along with you guys, a lot like this guy behind me. But yeah, so one more thing I want to show you. We know we've got below me, under this guy, we've got the guppy tank, and we had a lot of babies, right? Well, they're really starting to color up. So I want to show you guys this guy. Let's see if this will focus. You can kind of see there the red tail. It's not the best footage. Let's see if, I'm going to turn the light off behind me. Let's see if this does any better. Oh yeah. Look at that, man. I might add some B-roll if this doesn't turn out. But yeah, he's just a really cool, he's got the red tail, he's got the fancy spots. But yeah, it's just really cool. We've got some really cool colors. And also, if you're curious, the dad is this guy, and the mom is this guy. So, or girl. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the build. Pond build, day one. Here we go. This is the setup. First thing we got to do is pull up some of these plants and get a hole dug. I'll see y'all then. All right, hole in 3, 2.
2,000 years later.
And some things have changed. As you guys can see, I didn't film any of it. Sorry about that, but I don't think it's anything you guys can't figure out. We've got some rocks along the edge, some rocks in the back, a couple plants, a chair, a tree. Beautiful. It's filled with rainwater. It's raining right now. Love it. But now the fun part is that we're going to build a filter for this guy. So we've got this tub here. This guy. Water everywhere. All right. So this is going to be essentially our filter. I got a lot of things going on right here, but it'll make sense in just a second. So let's get to it. For this pond, we're going to be building a gravity-based filter. So think of a hang-on-the-back filter on your aquarium. First step is to get this spillway attached to this big old tub. Now it's time to caulk the spillway in place. Pro tip, use an actual caulking gun. Now that the basic body of our filter is done, it's time to fill this guy up with some media. We're gonna use this polyester as our pre-filter. We got this from Walmart. It's really inexpensive, like 10 bucks. Meanwhile, this lava rock from Lowe's is gonna be our biological filtration. Plenty of surface area for beneficial bacteria. Yeah. So the rocks all go on the right side of it. Yeah, me too. I'm done caulking. That's not a thing I'm gonna do anymore. I think it's really on brand for this channel. Yeah, I shouldn't caulk. That's just not a thing I should do. We were luckily able to get it working. We started with a brand new tub. We took the spillway out and we were able to connect that spillway to the tub with a hose. So apparently it was easier to caulk a hose than it was to caulk an entire spillway. So yeah, live and learn, I guess. Just make sure your hose is slightly bigger than your intake hose, which is connected to your pump. Anyway, that's that. It's looking really good so far. I'm really excited. Stay tuned for part 2, where we're gonna get some aquatic plants in there. We're gonna cover up that filter with like some rock work, make it look real pretty. We might even get a fish in there. So stay tuned for that. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.